Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Thank you for watching this video lecture. In this video lecture, you will understand that how we can assess capacity of a bore well. But before to watch this video lecture, please subscribe the channel and press bell icon for further notifications. In order to assess capacity of a bore well, we need to conduct number of tests. Test number first is called step test. Test number second is called CRT or constant rate test, or we can simply say a pump test. And test number third is called recovery test. When we conducted the step test, the constant rate test, and the recovery test, then we can determine the specific capacity or yield of a bore well. Step test usually conducts to determine the effectiveness of a bore well. The standard procedure for this test is, for example, at the first hour we extract 1000 liters of water from the bore well. At the second hour we extract 2000 liters of water. At the third hour we extract 3000 liters of water. And at the fourth hour we extract 4000 liters of water from the bore well. We continue this process until the bore well dry. But please remember, this is not a very common test in Afghanistan. But in case if you wanna conduct or do this test, the necessary tools you should have them with yourself are a stopwatch, a dip meter, a generator, a submersible, a flow meter, and a pipe. These are the necessary tools you should have them with yourself while conducting this test. CRT test. CRT means constant rate test. This is a very important test. Through this test we can ensure ourselves whether the borewell has as much water as much we need it for our demand or not. This test usually conducts from 8 hours to 48 hours and sometimes may take longer length of time. The necessary tools for this test are electrical generator, water pump, a pipe, water measuring meter, stopwatch, a drum of 200 liters, and water deep meter. These are the necessary tools you should have with yourself while you want to conduct this test. Recovery test. This is another important test. Through this test we can record and we can assess the recovery of water. In this test we are recording and how much water and how much time the water reaches the water table that we had it before the CRT test. When we conducted the CRT test and the recovery test, then we can specify specific capacity or yield of a bore well. For example, we conducted the CRT test for 8 hours and the total amount of our volume of extracted water was 30 cubic meter, and we also recorded the drawdown. For example, the drawdown was 5 meters. If we divide the total volume of extracted water to the depth of drawdown that we recorded, the value that we get, that is called specific capacity of a bore well. Thank you for watching the video.